Hey guys, it's Tiltaz here. This is what I'm building for Jeff and Tom Soltis group build. Um, is the Diamond Rio by AMT. The decals are the directions are vague with what parts fit, so you have to kind of use Google as your friend. Um, but this is my chassis. Still got a lot of detail to do to it. Um, It's all in flat black right now. I'm not superly done with it. I'm going to detail it a little bit here and there with different colors. Still got a lot of work to do. The truck's still molded in white, or off-white, which really it is. The wheels are done. Cranberry. Right now they're a cranberry pearl. Still got all the detail to do to them, like the chrome here and the chrome nuts. Before I install them on silver, I got silver hubs that are going to go on them. So I got them to put together. Tires are still got to be. I think I'm going to white line them. I think that'd look pretty cool. I got a headache rack I'm in the scratch building. Wish me luck on that venture. Tom Soltis is building the trailer, the full truck and trailer set from Lindbergh. I built the truck not too long ago, Dodge 800, with the cab over, tilt nose. But I decided to keep the trailer for this group build. But this is my trailer out of that kit. I painted the trailer a Rust-Oleum brown mocha. I think that's what the color they call it. I think it's mocha. But then I just clear coated it because it's like a satin. And then I did the wheels white. All the ground controls, I did them in white. A little bit of diamond plate. Got a gunmetal underneath. Not a lot went on this trailer and detailed it. Did the mud flaps gold. You see them underneath there, a little gold trim. Tail lights are out of the part box because the ones in the kit are these little clear, not even paint clear red. They're clear, and I lost like 2 of them, so I used real Ertl red clears that these tractors got tons of. So I put them on this truck here. Taylor, thank you for the trade. I have my parts right here that I got from him. I appreciate it, buddy. Glad to see you got yours. Got yours before, way before I got these. But that's just the U.S. mail for you. Hope everybody has a blessed weekend and get some group builds in. There's a few of them. The semi-truck build is going on into March or May. We've got the Mac build off into November. Like to get into that myself. I don't have that green. Taylor's putting on a drag car build off. Kind of like Dylan over at New York Speeds Pro Street build last year, but this is all drag week cars. Hot Rod puts on a drag week every year that's pretty well known. You can look it up on YouTube and find all kinds of videos on drag week. To the videos. Dirt Pick is putting on a dragster build. Front engine fuel rail, top fuel drag build. There's some other builds all throughout. So get into some builds. Have fun. Don't sweat that you ran out of time. No, these are fun. They're supposed to be fun. But this is Tool Taz signing out. I hope everybody has a blessed weekend. And if you're going through a model show this weekend, be safe and have fun. Buy a lot of Cyrene. I wish in the one here in the border I would like to go, but can't. Things came up. Got projects around here to get ready for birthday parties and a couple other things. So this is Tool Taz signing out.